The 2014 BMW X4 by Manhart Performance. The X6 found itself a little brother when BMW unveiled the X4 at the New York Auto Show in April 2014. The X4 was everything the X6 was without the size or the price tag. Naturally, the SUV has gained popularity in the months since its debut. Well, it's expected to be more popular now that Manhart Performance has developed a program specifically for the X4. The German aftermarket company created a tuning kit that should provide more driving pleasure for owners of Bimmer's new coupe crossover. At least that's my takeaway after perusing through all the goodies of Manhart's kit. The overall look of the Manhart-tuned X4 doesn't deviate from the original version, which suggests that the tuning firm didn't add as many aerodynamic upgrades as I would have hoped. Still, the lack in cosmetic improvements shouldn't dissuade customers from purchasing the program. Manhart Performance does have a new set of wheels to offer, as well as a lowering kit and engine modifications that should provide ample improvements in the X4's horsepower output. Consider this one an introductory kit from Manhart Performance, because I think the tuner has something even more special down the road. Click past the jump to read more about the BMW X4 by Manhart Performance. BMW X4 X-Drive 35D by Manhart Performance in detail. Manhart Performance installed a new set of wheels on the BMW X4, but this isn't just your regular, run-of-the-mill set we're talking about. This is a new set of the tuner's own 21-inch, concave light metal wheels, and in case you prefer something a little more stylish, you can get the same wheels in a silk matte black finish. These wheels are wrapped up in Continental Sport Contact 5P tires sized 255/35 R21 up front and 295/30 R21 out back. The highlight of Manhart Performance's kit is the engine upgrade for the BMW X4 X-Drive 35D. Using its own kit, the German tuner was able to extract 375 horsepower and 546 pound-feet of torque from the coupe crossover's 3.0-liter, inline-six, turbo diesel engine. That's a sizable gain from the engine's standard output of 313 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. Manhart Performance also tweaked the 3.0-liter i6 engine under the hood of the X4 X-Drive 35i to the tune of 370 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque, which is a nice increase from the 300 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque it produces from the factory. For the X4 X-Drive 28i, Manhart Performance offers a tuning kit that pushes it from its stock 240 horses and 260 pound-feet of torque to 295 horses and 332 pound-feet of torque. Manhart Performance finished off its program by installing its own sports lowering kit, dropping the X4's height by 1.38 inches, which is plenty to enhance its handling. BMW X4.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.